Defense and strategic alliances. USA, Japan, South Korea. Indo-Pacific Defense and Tech Shield. Saudi Arabia, Pakistan, Egypt. Military, Defense and Middle East. China, Russia, Iran. Strategic Energy plus Military Cooperation Bloc. India, France, Italy. Defense, Space and Advanced Tech Alliance. Ukraine, Poland, Turkey. Regional Security and Humanitarian Partnership. Trade and Economic Alliances. France, Germany, Italy. Core of EU Trade and Innovation Unity. Brazil, Argentina, South Africa. Global South Trade Powerhouses. China, Iran, Russia. Energy plus Infrastructure Pact. UAE, Egypt, Saudi Arabia. Development and Investment Triangle. New Zealand, Australia, Canada. Stable trade democracies. Culture and diplomatic friendships. UK, USA, Canada. Cultural, intelligence and Commonwealth link. Turkey, Azerbaijan, Qatar. Brotherhood and regional influence. Indonesia, Malaysia, Norway. Cultural peace and ASEAN spirit. Norway, Sweden, Switzerland. Nordic Peace and Innovation Hub. New Zealand, Australia, UK. Anzac Brothers plus Shared Heritage. Anzac Brothers plus Shared Heritage.